Day one of the second test match between England versus India in Birmingham. What a day of cricket we've had. India and 310 for 5. It was a mixture of runs, wickets and everything you could see in a test match. Bahut zabardast mausam bhi tha. Weather was also really good in Birmingham. Just like this, you can see the sun was out as well. And we got to see some intense cricket. It started off with the early wicket of KL Rahul. I think the way the English bowlers bowled in the beginning was very good. Wokes and Cars were pretty good. They were bowling wicket to wicket, getting a hint of swing in, hint of swing out as well. They did get a bit of movement. And KL Rahul, I think he survived a couple of LBW shouts. उसके बाद वो finally out हो गया था. And then Karun Nair came in. He stepped in and he batted along with Jaiswal. And अच्छी partnership था. अगर आप देखें the context of the game, they were like 10 for 1, 15 for 1. They were added on like 70, 80 runs together, 90 for 1 कुछ हुए थे. Then Karun Nair got dismissed. I know that he got out for 30, लेकिन this is an improvement from his last performance in the first test match. And यहाँ से hopefully he builds ongoing series में. I think आपको back करना पड़ेगा Karun Nair को at number 3 because he's playing the position that he wants to. And also आप देखो जिस तरीके से वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा है पिछले साल से, he deserves this opportunity and you have to back him. And it's not like he got out for 0. It's not like he struggled. He did bat, he scored runs and then he got out. Jaiswal again, magnificent man. This kid is a different talent. I know उसके fielding के issue से catch और drop करता है and he has to work on that, improve on that. लेकिन जिस तरीके से वो बैटिंग कर रहा है भाई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया रहने दो, इंग्लैंड रहने दो, साउथ अफ्रीका रहने दो, वो देख रहा नहीं, वो बस रन बना रहा अपने. He's batting really well. There was a lot of talk that in England he might struggle, but so far he's done extremely well. Unlucky not to get 100. आज 87 पे. I think England bowled really well in the first 2.5 sessions. बहुत अच्छी bowling कर रहे थे. Because अगर आप देखें रन आ रहे थे इंडिया के, मगर वो उस तरीके से नहीं आ रहे थे. They were going like 3.5 runs and over, and I think England kept India in check, and that's where the pressure built. And when Jaiswal got out, the pressure was on India. अगर आप देखें, Rishabh Pant came in, he tried to put up a pressure. Shubman Gill, he got out. Shoaib Bashir set him up beautifully. 3-4 dot balls वो over में उसको अच्छा set up करके फिर he went for the big shot and straight in the deep he got the catch, and Rishabh Pant had to go. फिर Nitish Kumar Reddy आया. There was a lot of talk for Nitish Kumar Reddy. Everyone saying उसको खिलाना था, शार्दुल की जगह में वो रन बनाएगा, and there was that pressure. आप देख सकते जब इंडिया के लिए खेलते कोई भी रहने दो, शार्दुल ठाकुर रहने दो, NKR रहने दो, साई सुदर्शन रहने दो, Karun Nair रहने दो, Shubman Gill रहने दो, Rishabh Pant रहने दो, there will always be pressure playing for India, and we saw that with NKR today, and just one delivery nipped back in, lack of judgment. He should have defended that. It was too close to the stumps to leave in the first place, and फिर वो टप्पा पड़ के अंदर आ गया and he got bowled. It was a poor shot from him, and hopefully expecting more from him in the second innings, but yeah, he got out. And then the partnership, देखो India 200 for 5, 211 for 5 प्रेशर में थे. शुभमन गिल कैप्टन बैटिंग, वहाँ पे जडेजा जिस तरीके से उसका भी चल रहा था, काफ़ी लोग बोल रहे थे कि भाई उसको टेस्ट से निकालो, ही इज़ गेटिंग ओल्डर नाउ, वो भी रिटायर हो जाना चाहिए. लेकिन आज उसने एक्सपीरियंस दिखाया, आज उसने दिखाया वो क्यों है टीम में. उसकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, जिस तरीके उसकी बैटिंग, वो प्रेशर ऑब्जॉर्व कर सकता, वो प्रेशर निकाला भी शुभमन गिल से. शुभमन गिल वॉज इन अ टाइट सिचुएशन. The previous 30-40 deliveries, he was consuming a lot of dot deliveries and he was trying to stay there, but there was no support. But Jadeja provided that support. जिस तरीके से वो बैटिंग करा, he took the pressure off Shubman Gill, he found the boundaries, he rotated the strike, and बहुत उनकी अच्छी partnership चल रही है अभी भी. Jadeja's on 41, Shubman Gill 114, and let's talk about the captain Shubman Gill, man. Coming into this test match, a lot of criticism, and coming to the series, a lot of expectations, a lot of pressure. लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई ये विराट कोहली नंबर 4 पे कैसा रिप्लेस करेगा, रोहित शर्मा को एज कैप्टन कैसा रिप्लेस करेगा. लेकिन ही इज रियली बैटेड रियली वेल, 200 उसके, एंड देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन हिज बैटिंग. अगर आप देखें बीजीटी के टाइम पे लोग बोल रहे थे कि भाई ये रन ही नहीं बनाता, ये सेट होके आउट हो जाता 20-30, ये बड़े नॉक्स नहीं खेल सकता, उसके 200 हो गए. यू विल से द पिच इज गुड फॉर बैटिंग, बट सो व्हाट मैन, इवन विराट कोहली व्हेन ही गॉट हिज 100s इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, दे वर गुड फॉर बैटिंग, बट दैट डजंट diminish the quality of Virat Kohli, right? You go back to 2014 and Adelaide, that's a very good pitch to bat on, but he batted so well वहाँ पे. एंड शुभमन गिल भी आज जिस तरीके से बैटिंग करा, प्रेशर सिचुएशन में 5 विकेट चले गए थे भाई उसने, और जडेजा ने थर्ड सेशन में जो बैटिंग की, आई थिंक इट ब्रॉट इंडिया बैक इनटू द गेम. इट कुड हैव बीन इजीली कर्टन्स 250 ऑल आउट, 260 ऑल आउट, बिकॉज वी सीन द इंडियन टेल कोलैप्स. अगर वहाँ पे गिल या जडेजा का विकेट जाती, आई नो देयर सुंदर टू कम, बट प्रेशर वुड हैव बीन इंडिया, एंड देयर वाज अ बिग possibility that they would have been all out by tonight. Lekin he stood there, the captain batted beautifully, short ball ko acha pull kar raha tha, cut kar raha tha. His cover drives were beautiful to watch, a treat to watch, man. Lovely timing. V mein bhi acha khela. Aaj Jaiswal bhi V mein bahut acha khela as well. I was very impressed with Jaiswal. On the short stuff he was cutting and pulling, lekin jo straight shots the, and yeah, Shubman Gill kid cover drives so unbelievable hai bhai. Incredible batting from him. And now India are 310 for 5. If you look at from England, I think they won't be too disappointed, especially in the first two sessions. 2.5 T ke baad jab wicket gaya tha aapka Nitish Kumar Reddy ka, England were on top, and it looked like they're favorites to win this game already. Lekin yeah, the India did counter attack, and this is what you want to see in test cricket. You want to see a contest between two sides who are at it. Kabhi England are in front, kabhi India in front, and that led to, I think, an even Stevens day. Agar end of the day, agar aap dekhen, England won't be too dissatisfied. They'll be happy with day's play. India will be happy with day's play. Yes, there could have been improvements. England could have got 1 or 2 more wickets in the last session. India could have lost 1 or 2 wickets, less wickets, and scored a bit more runs. Wo bhi ho sakta tha. But overall, I think it's even Stevens going to day 2, and that's been the series so far. Agar aap pattern dekhe, pehle 4 din Leeds mein bhi it was pretty even, and yahan pe bhi it's pretty even as well. I'm very excited for day 2, man. The skipper Shubman Gill is batting, और India को I think 400 तो आना चाहिए, like करना पड़ेगा कहीं ना कहीं. They need to add another 100 runs. This pair need to bat as long as possible. अगर उन लोग एक सेशन क्लियर कर देते हैं ना, and lunch तक if they lose only 1 wicket or something, then India is in a very good position. आपको 400 प्लस अगर फिर से आएंगे, then प्रेशर पड़ेगा इंग्लैंड पे. हमको पता है भाई इंग्लैंड की बैटिंग कैसी है. इंग्लैंड भाई 400 भी चेस कर सकती है, 500 भी मार सकती है, सब पता है. लेकिन बार बार जब आप ऐसे रन बनाएंगे, एंड स्पेशली जब 200 for 5 थे, तो इंग्लैंड पे प्रेशर पड़ेगा. अगेन इट्स अ गुड विकेट टू बैट ऑन, 100% अच्छी बैटिंग विकेट है, लेकिन देयर इज समथिंग इन इट फॉर द बॉलर. स्लाइट मूवमेंट वी सॉ. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस टुमारो. Maybe it gets flatter, I'm not sure. Shoaib Bashir, I felt he bowled well. The way he trapped Rishabh Pant was excellent. बहुत अच्छी bowling करा. Ben Stokes was pretty good as well. He bowled his heart out. He got a big wicket of Jaiswal. And yeah, England, I think they did build pressure really well. It was just that third session में जहाँ पे शुभमन गिल और जडेजा बैटिंग कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे इंग्लैंड को कोई आंसर नहीं था. Lekin tomorrow is a new day, fresh start. There might be some overcast conditions, we don't know, but yeah, they'll also get the second new ball. They've already got it. I think they'll use that, and let's see if that produces some wickets. It's going to be intriguing day 2. I can't wait for it. For me today, it was Shubman Gill, again player of the day. Excellent batting, man. The captain leading from the front. That's what you want to see in the team, and I'm really happy for him. I'm really happy to see Jadeja back in form as well. It's good to see that. From England's perspective, I think they'll want a bit more from Joshua Tongue, and I think उसका काम अब शुरू होगा ना. Like वो उसका skill set वही है, tail को जल्दी साफ करना. उसका वो क्या बोलते हैं, that's his forte, getting the tail out, which is a skill in itself. And they'll want a better performance from Joshua Tongue, because like in Leeds here as well, he got hit on the first day, and they'll be hoping that he comes back. But yeah, that's it for now. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, comment on the video as well. That will help us, and take care everyone. We'll catch you tomorrow for day 2.